Mary is alive, but who is she and what is the benefit of having her into the Cardano blockchain? Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to explain you this Mary upgrade on Cardano. We are going to do some technical analysis of ADA and review the news that confirm that Cardano ADA could hit $5 before you think. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and join me on Twitter. I am posting trade alerts over there, and it's the only place that you can see that. And leave me some comments. Are you holding ADA right now in your portfolio? What are your thoughts about Cardano and the price prediction for the next months? Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, Cardano introduced a key platform upgrade called Mary. This was yesterday, March 1st. Mary will make Cardano into a multi-asset network similar to Ethereum and similar what Polkadot it will be doing also with the parachains. It will introduce new use cases and features and enable users to create tokens. Users will be able to create their own unique tokens, including FTS, and transact directly with this on the Cardano platform. Mary's main purpose is to transform Cardano into a multi-asset network similar to Ethereum, but with some advantages. The protocol's developer users can transact with tokens, but without the need for smart contracts. This means sending a token on Cardano won't be more expensive than sending its native token ADA, unlike with Ethereum. And this is very important because this is the cause of why the transactions on Ethereum are so expensive. And you will see now, for example, in Uniswap the last week, we have prices like $200 for a transaction over the Ethereum blockchain. Use cases will open for developers who will be able to create custom payment tokens for Web3 applications, stablecoins, pitch to other currencies and FTS. A 250 billion market, which is rapidly gaining mainstream and interest. This is also applied for DeFi projects. So this upgrade is very important for the network. The mainnet upgrade, which requires a hard fork of the blockchain, is a key milestone for Cardano. It introduced native tokens and multi-asset support while making use of Cardano increased transaction speeds, mission-critical security, and lower fees. This upgrade also will help for the speed of the transactions and security. Despite with the need for smart contracts, means that the accounting ledger will track the ownership and transfer of assets instead, removing this extra complexity and potential for manual errors, while ensuring significant cost efficiency. So basically we now have a multi-token support on the blockchain of Cardano. We increase the speed of the transaction. We will not have extra costs because any token that many companies could create, it will run as a native token like ADA, and that will not make the increase of the fees on the transaction that is happening with Ethereum right now. But what does this mean for Cardano ADA? Right now, the DeFi and DApps ecosystems are being held back by high transaction fees and unsecure smart contracts. As we discussed, native tokens address the second problem by having their core logic be part of the ledger itself. Cardano was designed to be low cost, and that will not change with tokens launched on the network. ADA will be fully tradable with native tokens from the start, unlocking the power and huge interest worldwide in DeFi applications. In Cardano, transactions between native tokens do not generate high fees, making DeFi application even more affordable. This is one of the reasons that I think new projects that want to create DeFi applications will choose Cardano over Ethereum. We may say that we still have like 1 year before Ethereum 2.0, and for a new company, having from the start the low cost fees on the transaction, even if they use after oracles like Chainlink or another external oracles to help this, it will be very profitable right now, more than another DeFi projects that are running in Ethereum, and for congestion or high fees are blocking the development of their products. Cardano ADA is now third, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and the cryptocurrency is up 645% in the past 90 days, according to Messari. Also, Cardano tripled in February to outperform CoinDesk 20s, and ADA climbed a new all-time high of 1.49 on February 27, topping the peak price of $1.30 reached in early 2018 and the tail end of the last bull market for cryptocurrencies. Another important thing for Cardano and ADA, now we are third, fighting with Binance coins, only for $2 billion. It's not too much on these market caps right now, so we can continue seeing a fight with Binance and even with Ether, but I don't count Ether as a cryptocurrency here because it's just a stable coin. We are 6 billion over Polkadot, so being in the top 3 it will create a lot of FOMO because for the retail they may know what Bitcoin is, they may starting to know what Ethereum is, but now they will continue seeing in the top list of CoinMarketCap or another websites, and they will see that Cardano is in the position 3. Another thing to recall here is that in this correction that we have of almost 24% on Bitcoin price and all icons, Cardano keep the price still on the same range and didn't create a very low correction for that. And that is a proof of a strength in the Cardano holders, in the ADA holders, and in Cardano project as a whole, and in the price itself. So what is up next with Cardano and ADA? Well, we are in the Goguen stage, and it's the next hard fork, and this upgrade should occur in the first half of 2021 and should introduce smart contracts into the blockchain of Cardano. If we go to the Cardano's roadmap, we will see that we are in the Goguen stage, and Goguen has the ability to build decentralized application, the apps, on Cardano's solid foundation of peer-reviewed research and higher insurance development. When Goguen is finished, it will allow users from technical and non-technical backgrounds to create and execute functional smart contracts on the Cardano network. We also will have in the Goguen launch, the launch of Bluetooth with AEC development language and execution platform. And we also know that the Goguen area also encompasses work to make Cardano accessible to wider audience via Marlowe, allowing financial and business experts with no previous technical knowledge to create smart contracts. If you want to read this part of the roadmap, it's a more technical explanation, so you can check it in the Cardano roadmap. On the technical analysis perspective, I posted this chart before it broke on Twitter. In the last 2 weeks we have been forming this symmetrical triangle on the Cardano price situation, and we see how this line was acting as support from a long time, actually from February 23 with this week and all the way here. I did a prediction with this chart telling that if we broke from the upside, we can see a new all-time high of $1.5, and if we break down, which is what happened, and if we measure this, it was almost a 6%, almost a 6% for this trade. I took this trade on 5x leverage because I didn't want to risk too much because Cardano ADA is right now still in a hype, and we broke down here and took this price into this support area. And you need to see also when the volume is declining is that we are expecting a new major target on the price. Didn't go too down right now. I am not expecting to hit $1. I think it will continue stable around this price, and eventually we will continue recovering. Right now, I will think that if we continue go down in price, we probably will go into the Fibonacci golden pocket, which is between 1.1 $1.07 and $1.14. I don't think we can go below $1 right now. Cardano is still holding strong into support areas, and to continue go up, I think we need to confirm on a daily candle up of $1.3. That will give us a lot of steam to continue price higher. In another news for Cardano and ADA, we are seeing a lot of FOMO over the price of ADA. We see this news, for example, that Keith Shane Simons buy $300,000 worth of Cardano. The Keith bassist and frontman says he believes in Cardano because of its affordability compared with another cryptocurrencies. And we can say how he tweeted about Cardano and his plan on getting on that cryptocurrency. And when we start seeing stars or this kind of people like the Kardashians talking about cryptocurrencies, that is basically a FOMO factor on the retail community, and that will make again to make the people interested and see what is Cardano, and if some people is investing in that, should be for some reason. In another news, we say that the Dubai crypto fund says to them 750 million worth of pretty useless Bitcoin, and they will buy Cardano and Polkadot. According to the company, the increase in these altcoin holdings will better serve the needs of FD7 investors who are looking to diversify their portfolio in the growing cryptocurrency space. Again, we see that projects such as Cardano, Polkadot, and Ethereum are the foundation of the new internet and Web 3.0. I now agree with that. I think these three projects right now are the base of the new internet and are the platforms that right now, also with Binance, I think they will create the base for a lot of DeFi and NFTs and all the new functionality that can be built over these blockchain platforms. I am not sure anymore about EOS and Tron. I think that they are not doing anything else now. And Greyscale considering 23 cryptocurrency for new investment products. We have news about Greyscale all the time, and we know that already has trust for 8 cryptocurrencies already, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Horizon, and Zcash. And the new list is of the 23 cryptocurrencies, includes DeFi coins and a few BAYC-backed projects. And for the Internet of Blockchains, we have Cardano and Polkadot as two of the cryptocurrencies that Greyscale can add now. And another news from Charles Hoskinson is that he still thinks that Africa to bring 100 million users to DeFi in 3 years from now, says founder of Cardano. We know that he is focused on bringing products and use Cardano blockchain into the Africa continent sector, because he sees their opportunity of bringing business value into the blockchain, and not many other products or blockchains or coins are targeting Africa. So I think this is another great opportunity for Cardano to be a leader there. So I think with all that we saw in this video, we can probably say that Cardano could hit $5 before that we knew. I was expecting that target to the end of the bull market on this cycle, maybe for middle of the year or a little more, but I think we can achieve that in the next 2 or 3 months. I think that's all for today. Please, before leave, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification, and join me on Twitter, CryptoC I will continue posting there trade alerts, so if you want to take some of those trades that I post there, please follow me on Twitter. And without anything else, see you in the next video.